Need to transfer files from your Mac to your iPhone? Whether it's documents, photos, or videos, this guide shows you 3 simple ways to do it using a USB cable. Let's dive in. Way 1. Transfer files from Mac to iPhone or iPad with iOS Data Transfer Tool. MacBook Assistant for iOS enables easy file transfer between iPhone and Mac. Just install it, connect your iPhone, and transfer files without iTunes or Internet. Preview and select files for a fast, personalized experience. Step 1. Connect your iPhone to the Mac computer. Connect your iPhone to Mac using a USB cable and open MacBook Assistant for iOS. The software will quickly detect your device. Step 2. Select the file type from the tabs on the left. Step 3. Click Import and choose Files to transfer. The process completes in minutes. Way 2. Copy files from Mac to iPhone using USB via Finder. Connect your iPhone or iPad to your Mac via USB. In Finder, select your device and go to the Files tab. Drag files to the apps listed for sharing. After syncing, access the files in the respective app. Way 3. Transfer photos or videos from Mac to iPhone or iPad using USB. Plug the USB drive into your Mac and copy photos or videos to it. Install a data transfer app on your iPhone, iPad. Connect the USB drive via Type-C hub or adapter. Select and transfer files following on-screen instructions.